plug that in, let's lock it so it's locked. The objective is to shoot him, heel him back in, and bring him to mark. So you don't want to shoot him if he's got like 10 people around him. Hey Mark, I want to holler it before we take off. I'm gonna have to go back out. I didn't have time to set my cameras, so I got to set my cameras up. Okay. So I had to go back out. But I want to make sure I get all my snipers on the same page. All right. Basically, I'll take control of the sniper squads and work them however they need to be worked. Okay. So they're more effective.
If you ever come across the enemy commander, you are to shoot him on sight. So once he's dead, let's say Jeremy is the enemy commander. I shoot Jeremy, he's dead. You have to come up to him, revive him.
Touch his wiener.
And then take him back to me.
You gotta correct.
Where I will execute him, and we will get 15 points.
3. Oh, sorry, dude.
All right, understood? Our overarching objective is to defend the town. So we need to get there pretty much as fast as possible.
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
Minigun down. If you want to do me a favor, I've got guys pushing up back out there. If you want to go up this way and flank down this way, there's 4 or 5 of them down here by the refinery.
Yeah, no comms.
I'm right behind you, so I just can't do it by myself.
You guys, oh, I got. Straight down there.
Kill confirmed.
Got one. Yeah, but then I shot the other one and he grabbed his buddy and took off with him.
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
We're gonna check, make sure they're not flanking us. As long as they're going that direction, I'm fine. It's the ones that's coming this direction I want to stop. Where's Tyler?
Kill confirmed.
We're moving to the lowlands. Come on.
Where you guys want to go to Lowlands?
Yeah, we're gonna go this way and back down. Snipers are moving to the lowlands. We are gonna go into town and into enemy territory. Enemy territory to fetch 2 clay targets out of the truck cab, unbroken, and bring them to David. That's our objective now. So make sure that your mags ready to go. You've got ammo. You're good to go because when we get in there, we may be under fire. We have a bunch of targets moving to the lowlands, about 15 10.
I'll cover you guys in front. Let's move down. That's why you guys let me know.
We have 15 to 20 enemies moving to the lowlands.
We have all objectives from the lowlands, but we are to hold the harbor. The harbor has our main objective, which is our box.
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
Pepsi, 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 Pepsi. Come on.
Hey guys! The caution tape is now a radiated zone. They blew a bomb and it's radiating this whole place. Alright? The caution tape. We cannot go in the caution tape without protection.
Confirmative. Everybody put your condoms on.
We have protective gear. Only people with protective gear can go in.
Kill confirmed.
We have doctors.
Kill confirmed.
You're running right to them, buddy. Sean, they're right in front of you. You're 12.
Kill confirmed.
No, the guy's right behind that spool. That black one.
Kill confirmed.
Are you gonna call that dude? That one did.
Kill confirmed.
That one.
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.